Have you ever wondered how we, as a species, evolved from being insignificant apes to becoming the rulers of planet Earth? This intriguing question takes us on a journey through the pages of the riveting book, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. Diving straight into the narrative, the book opens with the cognitive revolution. Around 70,000 years ago, our ancestors were just another species of animal. What set us apart was the cognitive revolution, a sudden leap in our brain's power to think, plan, and communicate. This event was not a gradual evolution. Instead, it was a sudden shift that allowed us to create and believe in shared myths and stories, which in turn enabled large-scale cooperation. Next, we move to the agricultural revolution. This transformation took place about 10,000 years ago when our ancestors began to tame plants and animals. Harari paints an interesting picture here. He suggests that it wasn't humans who domesticated wheat, but wheat that domesticated humans. With the advent of farming, we see the rise of complex societies, hierarchies, and even the concept of time as we began to live by the seasons. The third major revolution that Harari discusses is the unification of humankind. This stage is about how different human cultures, despite their diverse beliefs and ways of life, gradually came closer. This was possible due to the rise of empires, the spread of religions, and the advent of money and trade. Finally, we arrive at the scientific revolution. This period, which began around 500 years ago, is where we see a major shift in the way humans view the world. The belief in progress and the relentless pursuit of knowledge have been the driving forces behind our technological advances, leading us to the brink of becoming gods ourselves, with our ability to manipulate life. Harari's book serves as a mirror, reflecting our journey as a species and how we've shaped the world around us. Through the cognitive revolution, we learn to create and believe in shared myths. The agricultural revolution tamed us into a settled lifestyle, giving birth to complex societies. The unification of humankind brought diverse cultures closer, while the scientific revolution transformed our understanding of the world. In essence, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, is more than just a book. It is a thought-provoking exploration of our species' history, our triumphs, our failures, and our future. It sheds light on how we became who we are today, and raises intriguing questions about where we are heading. It's a compelling reminder of our humble beginnings, our astonishing journey, and our immense potential. As we close the pages of this book, we're left with a deeper understanding of our past, and a profound curiosity about our future.